Right guys, I have only got an hour to spare today, so I thought let's try do something quick and easy. But normally when something looks quick and easy, it bloody isn't, so I'm going to get straight into it. So you'll have already saw from the thumbnail what they are. So I'm using Born Pretty products today, mostly. So I've got their black, red and white. There's the numbers. 1, 2 and 5. And my favourite nude, BP21. Love this nude. Love it. So let's get on with it. So this nail and the middle nail, I want a nail bed. So I'm just gonna want it quite deep. Get it as close as I can with the brush. And then I'll tidy it up in a minute with a detailer brush. I'm using this fantastic little brush from Born Pretty. I love it. Super thin, super skinny. So let's tidy this up. Right, I'm going to stick that in the lamp and then I'm going to give it a second coat. Gosh, you're quite far out, aren't you? Cue that, and I'm going to do exactly the same on this nail. Right, and these other two nails are going to be red. I'm just going to do 2 thin coats on both nails. I'll just show you doing one. It's the first time I've used this red. This is nice. Right, and I'm going to do both of these free edge in the red as well. So I've just wiped the tacky layer off them because I want to matte top coat them, and I don't like putting my matte top coat on a tacky layer. So I'm just using an old matte top coat to start with, because this is just to paint on, and I'm going to matte top coat them again at the end. So there's no point wasting my good Born Pretty one. This is just an old one, and I'll use the good one at the end. Right, so for these nails I am going to use Born Pretty's Jelly Nude in black, and we're going to do a little bit of a plaid pattern. I'm going to try it with this jelly black first. Never done this before, but I'm going to give it a go. I might have to make this even lighter. Let's have a see. So I want this straight down the middle. Oh, I think it'll be alright actually. I think it'll be alright. Right, I'm just going to stick that in the lamp like this, and I'm going to do the same on that nail. I'll do that one off camera. Right, and then we need to use the black to finish this plaid off. So this is the black, not the jelly black. And I'm just going to use this to fill in these tiny little squares in the middle. So that's them done. I am just going to top coat over these. I want to do a border around all 4 nails, but I can't draw straight lines on these lumpy bumpy bits. So I'm just going to give them a quick top coat, maybe a little buff. So I'm just giving these a little buff up the sides now, where I'm going to want to put them black borders, just to make sure they're nice and smooth. And then I will go over with the soft side of the buffer, just to buff out them horse scratches, because I'll just paint on them instead of doing another matte top coat. It's only a border, so I'll just paint straight over this buffed part, get it nice and smooth. Right, so whilst I've got my black out, I am just going to do these little kind of reflection marks. Right, then I'm going to use the white, and I'm going to do the same as that black, but the opposite way. Now, just this nail left to do. I want to do a bow. I haven't got a green from Born Pretty, so I'm going to use Madam Glam's green gel paint. And I'm just going to do a straight line down, a straight line across, and then a little bow in the middle. So I'm just going to go over these first with quite a thick glossy top coat, just because they're a bit lumpy bumpy, and then I will go in with a matte top coat. So I've gave them a little buff, so I'm just going to give them one last velvet matte top coat now. There we go guys, that's them finished. I absolutely love this cartoon trend effect. I absolutely love it. I'm not happy with my bow. It's these little sticky out bits, they needed to be longer. But it's a cartoon bow, so it might meant to be like that. But I think they're so cool. I really like them. That one's bugging me, it's a bit higher. Yeah, I really like them. Let me know what you think, guys. Do you like them? Would you wear them? I think I'd wear them. I'd fix the bow, but I'd definitely wear them. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Just a quick one. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.